Another fun breakfast salad idea. We've got our lettuce already washed and dried. We've got in our bowl some blueberries, some apples, some avocado. And then we have some dried fruits as well. We have some apricot and dried cranberry. How about some pumpkin seeds and chia seeds for a little bit of added fiber? You know, pumpkin seeds are really good for us. And we can go ahead and we're not going to add too much fruit because we don't want it to be so high in sugar, but we want to be able to at least taste those sweet flavors for breakfast in the morning. So let's go ahead and put our avocado down on top of our lettuce. And then next we will add in some of the other green fruit like the apple. Put in 3 slices of green apple. And then we could put in some of our apricot. I'm thinking 1 or 2 apricots is more than enough. Now we'll add in a little bit of our pumpkin seed. For that crunch. And how about just a dollop of chia seed, just so that we have some going through. And just a little bit of cranberry as well. So we can go ahead and just get our cranberry added in there. And look at what a beautiful salad already. We haven't even added the blueberries in yet. Let's go ahead and add a spoonful of blueberry. And there we have it, a beautiful breakfast salad with fruit. Isn't that gorgeous?